In this video, I will show you how to repair the rear cigarette lighter socket door in Audi A6 and S6, platform C7 and 7.5. If the kids accidentally step on the door while it is open, chances are it will pop out and will not work again. It will look something like this. The first thing we will do is remove the air vent. Get yourself 2 pieces of wire and bend the ends 90 degrees like the one shown here. Insert the wire through the slats 3 rows up from the bottom. Here is a close-up view of the process. This vent was previously removed, so yours will not be this easy. You must apply force to pop it out. Remove these 2 bolts. Disconnect the wire harness by squeezing the tabs. The socket size is 8 mm. Remove the rear trim. Starting from the top, use a plastic tool to pry the trim off. You do not have to remove this wire harness. I remove it just for the presentation. Remove 2 Torx screws and then pull out the cigarette lighter assembly. Detach the wire harness from the housing. Disconnect the wire harness by pressing the tabs. Here is a close-up look at the mechanism. This pin shown here should be straight. As you can see, it is bent upwards. It's supposed to ride inside the track of the previous piece to create the locking mechanism. I tried to straighten it and it broke. A new pin is necessary. Carefully punch out the old pin and insert a new one. You can make one from a keychain, also called split key rings. I happen to have a coil spring of the same diameter. Here is it inserted into the piece. Do not push in all the way until the assembly is together and the door is closed. Cut off the excess amount after the pin is pushed in. Test the door. It should open and close without problems. Installation is the reverse of removal. Test all functions. Thanks for watching.